Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. We are learning Marigold for class 2. Bells. Ding dong, all the bells are ringing. Ding dong, it's a holiday. Ding dong, all the bells are singing. Ding dong, let's go out and play. Fun time. What is the sound of your school bell? आपके स्कूल के घंटी की आवाज़ कैसी है? Can you make sounds of different bells that you have heard? क्या तुम बेल्स की आवाज़ निकाल सकते हो जो तुमने सुनी है? बेल्स यानी घंटी. Different bells make different sounds. Try and make the sounds of a phone bell, tring tring, doorbell, ding dong, cowbell, horse bell, and bus bell. Write the first letter of each picture given in the box. ये पिक्चर्स के फर्स्ट लेटर फर्स्ट वर्ड हमें लिखने हैं इनके लेटर्स के. ग्रेप तो जी लिखेंगे. इग्लू आई. रैबिट आर. एप्पल ए. फ्रॉग एफ. फिश F, and this is post, email. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand. Thanks for watching guys. Like and comment and subscribe my channel to motivate me.